Today we are going to tour a 2016 Sea Ray 510 Sundancer. Boat's located on Figure 8 Island in Wilmington, North Carolina. It's kind of blustery, so I won't spend much time out here. You can see we do have the wood table, large U-shaped seating which stays covered all the time. The cockpit does have real teak. Stepping up in, you can see we've got the grill. There's an ice maker right below that. And obviously stepping out of the wind into the upper salon and helm areas. Off on the port side here, got a very comfortable seating area. That table, hopefully you can see, flips over for dining. I'll give you a better look at the helm, but just kind of panning around. The helm seat, by the way, pivots. You can see the bracket, which when you're not running the boat, that makes the salon area very open. Excellent for entertaining. We have a fridge down below there. And TV up here. Moving back over. So you can see we do have the joystick control with the digital throttle and shift. This boat, the engines on this boat originally were 526 horse at the prop. They've had some modifications to bring them up to 574 horsepower. The engines have less than 200 hours on them, and this boat has an extended warranty out to 2022. You can see in the middle there is the vessel view, which is the digital readout. See, we've got the twin Raymarine touchscreen, GPS chart plotter, radar, fish finder units. Boat shows very nicely. Just a different view for you of that port side seating. Of course, you can see we've got the wood flooring. And we'll step down into the lower salon area, which you can see off on the starboard side here. Got an L-shaped seat. Behind those doors there is where your main electrical panel is located. And you can see we've got wood flooring down here as well. And panning over to the entertainment center for this area, which does have the Bose system. Then off on the port side here, of course, is where we've got the galley. Lots of storage, lower and upper. You can see the over-under stainless fridge freezer. Microwaves up top. Looking into the master now. Again, fabrics, carpets, everything here shows very nicely. One feature everybody loves on this boat is the full walk-around bed. You can see they do have part of the bow sun pad stowed right there. And off in the forward section of the master here is where the washer dryer combo is located. Storage drawer here, hanging locker here as well as on the aft side of the bed. And of course the master stateroom entertainment center, which also has the Bose speaker system. Looking over to the vanity, sink, storage upper and lower. And again, wood in that area as well. Take a peek in the master head, of course, which is vacuum flush. Got a nice large stall shower with a wood seat, tile flooring. Of course, back out to the galley area. I'll just give you a look at our main electrical distribution panel before we finish up in the forward guest stateroom and head. Okay, in the forward VIP stateroom, you can see there's a large storage drawer. Bed, of course. We've got off on the starboard side here a full hanging locker, trying to keep yours truly out of the video. There's pillows stowed in there. Trying to give you an idea of the cleanliness. Guest stateroom TV. That control right there allows you to run the bed up to a shorter length or out to full length. So when you're sleeping, you've got a full length bed, but during the rest of the time you can run the bed up further, which gives you more room in the stateroom. I think it's a really good design. All the wood doors, everything looks good. Entrance, of course, into the guest stateroom, which is also tile flooring, vacuum flush. Up top here, you've got a storage area. Again, a very good sized stall shower with a wood seat. And down to the vanity with a nice storage area down below. Again, boat shows very nicely. And back out into the lower salon, and we will finish up in the upper salon. One last look. So 2016 51 Sea Ray Sundancer, under 200 hours. Horsepower on the engines has been upgraded to 574 horsepower. Of course, she's got the Zeus pods with the joystick control. She's priced very aggressively at $819,000 First serious buyer that finds this boat, I believe, will be interested. If you have any questions, please give me a call. This is Mike at 910-620-9903. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.